Did you know that your perfect customer is out there right now, just waiting to discover your business? The question is, how do you find them? Or better yet, how do they find you? If you've been struggling to crack the code on Facebook ads targeting, this video will change everything. What if I told you that with a few tweaks, you could reach the right person at the right time with the right message and watch your conversion rates skyrocket? Keep watching, because this might just be the key to transforming your entire marketing strategy. You've crafted the perfect ad. The visuals pop, the copy is compelling, the offer irresistible. You hit publish on your Facebook ads campaign expecting a flood of conversions. But days go by. Crickets. What went wrong? Let me tell you a secret. The true power of Facebook ads isn't just in the creative or the offer. It's in how well you target the right people. You can have the most beautiful ad in the world, but if it's not reaching the right audience, it's like shouting into a void. Facebook ads targeting has evolved dramatically since the early days of the platform. Remember when all you could do was select basic demographics like age and location? Fast forward to today, and we're working with AI-powered algorithms, detailed behavioral data, and psychographic profiles. Here's the thing. Facebook knows more about its users than we can imagine. Every like, comment, and share feeds its data engine, helping advertisers like us make smarter decisions. But with great power comes great responsibility. Are you using that data wisely? Or are you still casting a wide net, hoping for the best? The magic of Facebook ads targeting starts with understanding your audience. You're not just selling to everyone. In fact, the narrower your focus, the better your results will be. Let's talk about a few crucial ways to segment your audience. Of course, start with the basics. Age, gender, location. But don't stop there. This is where it gets juicy. You can target users based on their interests, like gardening, travel, or technology, and even their online behaviors, like shopping habits, travel bookings, or gaming. Example, let's say you're selling high-end kitchenware. Instead of targeting anyone who likes cooking, zoom in on people who are frequently searching for recipes, following Michelin star chefs, or regularly purchasing gourmet ingredients. This feature takes your best customers and finds people who are similar to them. This is where Facebook's AI really shines. It creates a new audience from scratch, based on the profiles of those who've already interacted with your business. You already have a loyal customer base. Now, with lookalike audiences, you can reach an entirely new group of people who are likely to fall in love with your brand, without having to guess who they are. Let's get real. Most people don't buy on their first visit. But don't worry, because Facebook's custom audiences have your back. This feature allows you to retarget people who've already interacted with your brand, whether they've visited your website, watched a video, or even abandoned their cart. This is where the art of subtle persuasion comes in. You can create ads specifically tailored to where that person is in their buying journey. If they visited your site but didn't buy, serve them an ad with a discount code. If they watched a product video, follow up with a testimonial ad to build trust. It's like continuing a conversation with someone who's already shown interest, instead of cold calling a stranger. Here's where Facebook's AI gets smarter every day. With automated targeting options, Facebook uses machine learning to adjust your targeting as it learns more about who's engaging with your ads. You're not alone in this. It's like having a marketing assistant that constantly improves your results. Facebook's algorithm is built to optimize not just for impressions, but for conversions. It can predict which users are most likely to take specific actions, whether that's making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or downloading an app. For example, if your goal is to generate leads, Facebook's AI will show your ad to people who have a higher probability of submitting a form. This isn't guesswork, it's data-driven precision. Even with all these tools, mistakes happen, and they can be costly. Let me save you some ad dollars by highlighting a few common pitfalls. Targeting too broad an audience. When you cast too wide a net, you waste money on people who will never convert. Narrow your focus. Ignoring exclusions. Don't forget to exclude people who are irrelevant to your offer. If you're running a promotion for new customers, exclude those who've already bought from you. Relying on outdated data. The digital world moves fast. Regularly update your targeting criteria and audiences to stay relevant. Facebook ads targeting is continuously evolving, and the future looks even more promising and complex. With the rise of privacy concerns and regulations, like Apple's iOS changes that limit tracking, advertisers need to stay agile. But don't worry, because AI is stepping in to bridge the gap.